SureHold, clean and simple.
Hey guys, Barry Burhoff with SureHold Industries today, and I've got another neat product gadget review for you, something we just added today to our Allberry project boat. Now, if you haven't seen the videos we've done on the Allberry project boat when we redid the whole boat, I'll have the link to those below. And I'm also going to have the link to this new item. This is called a Scanstrut Rock Wireless Charger, and that's this right here. This is a fully waterproof induction charger for your boat. It was really simple to install. One through hole with the wire that goes down to your 12 volt and your fuse. 4 more screws hold it in place. And then any one of the newer devices, whether it's an iPhone or an Android OS based device that has the induction charging, which is the contactless charging in the back, all you have to do is come down, push it into the device and let go. You'll see it goes right to charge, and that's it. It's a contactless charger. Your phones these days are more water resistant, so you're out on the water. You never have to worry about where your phone is and whether or not it's charged. I know my phone is here, it's secure, it's not going to jump and slide around when we hit some heavy waves, and the Scanstrut wireless charger is going to keep it fully charged for out on the water. Now, if you're looking for more great product reviews or other tips, tricks, and gadgets, see me at surehold.com or hit the subscribe button here and you'll be notified of all of our new videos, because we're here to help you keep your boat clean and simple. Come on guys, they already know to subscribe. Let's keep this nice and clean.